Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine icon on any computer or laptop. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining icon token, you need a laptop, computer or a gaming PC. If you want to earn more icon token on any computer or any gaming PC, so you need a good hardware components, like you can use your graphic card, and on the other hand you need a good internet connection and an icon wallet address. So here I will show you step by step how to mine icon token on any computer or laptop. So I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto. Check out the videos, different kinds of videos about mining tutorials, Binance tutorials and other coin reviews. So here I will open the unmineable. Unmineable is having its own miner, that is unmineable miner. So you can mine icon or other cryptocurrency including Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin, Cardano and many more coins. So here there is the icon you can see. So I will minimize the window on the desktop, create a new folder. Here I will type it icon. Once the folder successfully created, now navigate to Windows Security, click on the virus and threat protection. Again scroll down, click on the manage settings, click on add or remove exclusion. Now add an exclusion, select the folder, select the icon folder and click yes. The icon folder is added to the Windows exclusion window part. So here I will close the Windows security. Why we are performing this task? This task is one of the important tasks for the downloading unmineable miner, because the miners are a threat for the Windows operating system. In this case, Windows operating system will delete automatically the third-party softwares. There is the miner. So here again I will go back to the unmineable miner. Here is the download, click on that. Now right click on this and I will download the link with IDM. So you can save the link as I will download it with IDM. Click on this three dot here, select the desktop, select the icon folder and click on save and start the download. As I've already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. Simply I will cancel the download, minimize the browser, and here is the miner and unmineable miner. I will copy this and paste it to the icon folder. So here is the unmineable miner. Right click on this and extract the file here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to launch it. Here is the unmineable, the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue. Here you can select your mining hardware. If your computer is having a good graphic card, so you can select the GPU. So in this case, I will select the CPU and click on the next. Here you can see select a coin or token. So click on this and type icon. Here is the ICX, select this and remove this wallet address. Here is the enter your address. In this case, I will open the Trust Wallet. I will provide you the link of the Trust Wallet, how to download and install it on your Windows operating system. So check the below down description and click on the link and learn the method how to install the Trust Wallet. So here is the Trust Wallet. So the icon or ICX token is now not added in this part. So click on this option and type icon. Click on the receive, copy the wallet address and paste it here. Once you paste it the address, so start button is now appeared. So click on that to start mining ICX. And here as you can see on the main window, last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now and payouts from 4 ICX. Want to bring any changes to the setting? Click on the advanced setting option. Here you can select your mining intensity, whether you want to select the low option or whether you want to select the high option, or whether you can set a custom setting for yourself. Here is you can set a custom worker name. Here you can set a custom referral link. If you want to bring changes to the setting, click on save and restart. So I will not bring any changes, simply I will click on the close. Here as you can see the hash rate, it starts perfectly mining ICX token on my laptop. Here is the current hash rate and the hash rate was over 700. So if you want to check the status of the mining, click on the stats to open the unmineable.com. Unmineable.com, it is a pool between your wallet address and your miner. So here is the auto pay every 12 hours. Here you can check your workers, your payments, your referral code, and your stats. Once you have completed the amount of the 4 ICX token, you can simply automatically they will send you the 4 ICX to your wallet address, including 1% mining fee. So if you want to share your referral code with your friends, once they have started the mining, you will earn 0.25% of mining rewards. So I will minimize this and you can see it's perfectly mining icon or ICX token on my laptop. So guys, this is the way how you can mine icon token on your computer or laptop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.